Hello and welcome to another video of me, Simon Phillips. Today I would like to share with you another short story I've published, and I'm going to try and share this without getting lots of glares and blurs in this. As you can see the background in my office. So it's another short story called The Dead Girl in Sector 12, and it's written by me, Simon Phillips, and this is now available on Amazon, KDP, Kindle. It can be downloaded as a Kindle pack or as a EPUB pack, however you wish to download it. So yeah, first I'm going to give you a bit of an idea about the story, and then I'll give you an idea about the series. So first off, The Dead Girl in Sector 12 is the name of the actual book itself, and the series itself is the Ashfall Files. I'm trying not to say it with "the" in it, but it's just Ashfall Files. So the story itself, so it's a sci-fi crime detective noir story, and it's based in a future where our detective, who is called Ruth Kyle, and also another detective called Liana Merrick, and they're both detectives. I've said detectives quite a few times there. They're both detectives on a kind of like a cyberpunk style space station. It's in a point where humanity has progressed to the stars, but only within our solar system. So they're on a space station, and as the story says, they find a dead girl in Sector 12, and it's kind of not an easy investigation, but it's closed as an easy investigation. There is a lot more behind the story as you progress through it and through the series. I don't want to give too much away, because if I just give too much away, you know, I've just given away the entire series. So basically, two detectives, they find a dead girl in Sector 12 of a maintenance shaft, and they go through the normal investigations, but it's not as they expect. Okay, so I'm going to try and give you a bit about the series, but I have to be careful not to give too much away, because I will spoil the plot and the actual story itself, the series itself. So the series is called Ashfall Files. I said it without saying there. And it takes place, as I said, in the future where humanity has progressed to the stars, but only within our solar system. Our two detectives, Ruth and Liana, are based on a cyberpunk style space station, so a rickety old space station that is being held together by parts, and that it's still usable. It's like a space station that acts as a commune for logistics, people, you know, like a typical space station, futuristic space station. And this story starts off as a crime detective story, and it will slowly, don't want to give away too much of the plot, it will slowly develop into a more rounded, solar system wide political kind of full-on sci-fi, desperate, need to get word out there type of story. I'm sorry, I'm very vague, but that is basically what the story is about, without trying to give too much away. So one last time I will share all the glares, sorry about that. The Dead Girl in Sector 12, it's a noir story, can I pronounce that correctly? Noir story, based in a future where two detectives are on a space station. They find a dead girl in Sector 12, and the story takes off from there. So if you're interested, please do give it a read, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.